The consulting business financial model is designed for businesses or firms that provide consulting services, and it has been designed to forecast up to 5 years of revenues, operating budget, cash flows, and financial statements. Starting off with the input sheet, here you provide all the relevant assumptions about your business, such as investment and loan details, tax rate, employer payroll, capital expenditures, operating expenses, and other relevant assumptions. Moving on to revenue analysis, here you provide the information about the services that you provide and then the further details of each of these services, such as starting month, starting clients, average duration, total project price and total cost, advance, monthly and final payments, and then there's growth rate for each year. Then the total number of projects started, ended, and in progress projects are calculated at the end of each month, and then the revenue for each of those projects is calculated separately. In the end, total revenue and total cost is calculated at the end of each month. Startup Summary provides you with the details of your total funding and your first year expenses. It lets you evaluate the feasibility of your first year of operations. It also provides you with the details of your total assets, liabilities, and equity. It shows you a visual representation of how your business will be performing over the next 5 years. It includes expense distribution, profitability analysis, cash flow, break-even analysis, and other relevant metrics. Also, the key performance indicators are presented at the top of the dashboard. Depreciation and amortization sheet includes the monthly and yearly depreciation expenses for each of the fixed assets. In the asset details section, it includes the current and accumulated depreciation, net book value, and profit or loss in case of sale of any of these assets. Loan schedule include the monthly installment for each loan for the next 5 years, and its details include the interest payment, principal payment, and the remaining amounts of each loan. Monthly income statement provides an overview of the monthly performance based on total revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit, total expenses, and net income after expenses. Yearly profit and loss statement summarizes the details provided in monthly income statement for each year and summarizes the annual profitability measures. Cashflow statement provides the detail of all cash inflows and outflows in a given period and comprises of cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities. It also includes the total cash flow in each period and the total net cash in hand at the end of each period. Balance sheet is a statement of financial position that includes a summary of total current and fixed assets, liabilities, and capital at the end of each month or year. Project valuation calculates the total net present value of the company based on free cash flows, cost of capital, and a terminal growth rate. It also provides the internal rate of return, burn rate analysis, and the minimum investment requirement. Break-even analysis provides you with the minimum sales revenue your business should be making in each month or year in order to avoid losses. Diagnostic Tools evaluates some of the key performance indicators of the business against industry standards for each year and gives an opinion if the business is performing normally or if there are any issues.